Hey. Like a little odd tune, I think. On days when it's nice and moist and just gloriously beautiful, green and fresh, like your favorite lady friend. But you can't fly? Why try? There's no need. Honestly, guys, you don't have to fly a fucking quad to be cool. I don't know any other way of doing it. Somebody out there will tell you. When you can't rip it, flip it. Good as new, boys. Good as new. Okay. As you guys can probably not very clearly see, the studio is in shambles. Oh yeah, so big shout out to Greasy Mike for sending his Gristle Loaf care package. Oh, it's a great little online prepaid food-like byproduct delivery service that I was thinking about making, like a drone delivery thing, and screw making it autonomous and, just rid of the AI. We could be making millions of jobs just having people just crashing big old gristle loaves into people's frickin' front windows, living rooms, garages, front backyards. I don't know. It seems like there could be some revenue made that may change the world. It could promote world peace and end world hunger due to the fact if you eat enough gristle, then you're not going to be hungry ever again. Oh, ever. It's probably not a good solution. But I can tell you what is a good solution. These here channels. These here YouTubers. This guy. This dude. This guy's cool. Homeboy. Also, with and a special thanks. All this shit's great, man. FPV community, frickin', Bardwell, Zoe, Cricket, you, me, James Dean. Or is that Jimmy Dean? I don't know. I wonder if Jimmy Dean would hop on board with the Gristle Loaf situation. I don't know. Oh, hey there. This is Greasy Mike from the Gristle Loaf Incorporated. Not only do I make some of the savoriest, gristliest loaf around, I'm self-proclaimed painter, MD, we can get that prescription filled for you right away. And just all around, just kind of retarded type of guy. In my kitchen, if it doesn't have gristle in it and a whole lot of this, then you shouldn't put it down in your face. And just fucking remember one thing. If it's not lodged in your throat, it's not Gristle Loaf.
shit fucking sounds gnarly, man. It sounds like it goes from the fucking, from your fucking manifold, like, to about where, it's literally right here. Dude, I got like fucking, a couple like, Flowmaster type, the glass packs and shit, dude. And some piping. Oh yeah. Might be what you did with the Dodge. Dude, it's coming along. It's gonna have a snorkeling shit on it, dude. Oh yeah. Alright, I'll see you later, man. Later, man.
You okay? Dude, stop it!
And to be perfectly frank about it, Beans, what would be a channel that has the word drone in the title? What would it be without a drone flight? Sounds like fun. Alright, let's see if this can happen.
Oh my god.
He's gonna bite me! Oh no!
And there she is. Wouldn't you know it? It did it. Props are chewed up. I mean, so? And as the old saying goes, guys, could be worse.